Let's slow down and open the third eye together with Angel Feather Quartz. This meditation connects you with angelic visions and intuitive insights. So have some water nearby. You can tune into this as many times as you wish to help connect you and just really have one question or one thought, one request in mind. So in your favorite comfy position, whether it's feet flat on the ground, and you can imagine tapping into this angel feather quartz is from the Himalayas or the Himalayas, and very rare. Okay, there is a rainbow prism in this. I'm not going to try and find it right now. So I'm going to hold this up so that you can use this crystal to tap into, to connect with your angelic guides for your personalized, your customized, isn't that awesome? The visions and or the intuitive insights that your angels have for you. Okay, so deep breath. Give me just a moment to connect. Angels near and far, please help everyone who chooses to connect with this beautiful piece of angel feather quartz so that they may tune in, tap in, connect for the right and perfect guidance for themselves, for their path, their relationships, career, spiritual growth, their business, whatever it is they choose, or for some insights into healing their own inner self, opening their chakras, connecting with their higher self, whatever it may be. Angels, we ask and thank you to create a beautiful bubble of pink light around all of us, as if we are sitting across from each other in a beautiful meditative circle. Everyone holding a piece of beautiful angel feather quartz so that they may connect with you with open heart, open mind, and a sense of inner peace. Think of one question or one piece of guidance that you would like, some clarity, some insights. Perhaps it's the next step along your path. Angels, we thank the right and perfect angels, the perfect guidance, vision, images, signs to help us know that we are connecting with you through grace, ease, love, openness, harmony, and compassion, trusting what we receive. Please show us the right next step, thought, action in ways that we easily recognize and understand so that our conscious mind is quiet enough for us to hear, see, sense, or feel you are connecting with us. Please help us to know that you are always with us, whether it's signs of feathers, music, the same word repeated, or a number sequence. Please help to quiet the conscious mind, clear any self-doubt, negative self-talk. Help us to trust what we see, feel, hear, and sense. We are working with Angel Feather Quartz so that we are protected during our connection with you. We are able to see clearly the next right thing, action, or next step. And even if that means leaving something or someone behind, or allowing someone to leave our lives with as much grace as possible. We ask and thank you for any and all insights, any visions during our dream time or meditation, to help us know that we are truly, truly, truly connecting with you now, in this moment and in the moments ahead of us. Thank you for being here with us, for protecting us, for clearing our path, opening our hearts, opening our minds, and mostly to help us clear, open, and activate our third eye so that we may see clearly all that is given to us, all that is coming to us, and understanding in those instances, experiences, or memories that help us move forward in our lives along our path. Thank you for this and so much more. Begin to come back to your place, to your space, and into your body, beautiful soul. Write down anything and everything that you remember, what you saw, what you felt, colors, images, words, phrases given to you. No filtering, no second guessing. Just write it all down. Peace be with you. Namaste. I'll see you again tomorrow.